Does your childcare center provide transportation to and from school? ChildFriendly has you covered with our enhanced filters and streamlined processes. Let's see how easy it is to manage school pickups and drop-offs. With ChildFriendly's enhanced filters, you can easily locate children by group or school. Simply select the children you want to load onto the bus and press Move. They're instantly transferred to the bus space. Upon arrival at school, select the children you're dropping off. Choose the school as the authorized member and press Sign Out. They've now safely left your care and are ready for the school day. School pickup is just as straightforward. Filter for the school, locate the children you're picking up, select the school as the authorized member, and sign them into the bus space. When you return to the center, move them to their appropriate arrival room. With ChildFriendly, say goodbye to complicated transportation logistics and hello to seamless management.